everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you. This is one of my favorite videos to do all year, and it is the Homeschool Mom Box Swap video. Now, if you don't know what this is, for the past 4 years, Rachel at Day to Day Joys has done this, it's kind of like a Secret Santa or like Secret Friend kind of thing, where there's a list of moms and they're put in random order, and the first one buys a gift for the second one, and the second one buys a gift for the third one, and it goes down the line till the last one buys the gift for the first one. And so nobody knows who they're getting, and it's typically a $25 to $30 gift, and it can be pretty much anything. Usually we kind of stick with like fun items, self-care items, fun homeschool stuff. There's a little question sheet that Rachel will send out and everyone answers it, so you can kind of get an idea about what the mom that you've gotten to get a gift for, that you've been given, you kind of get an idea of what they like. And then you also go and check out their channel too and kind of learn more about them through their YouTube channel. And so it's so much fun. You know, it's always fun to get Happy Mail. I mean, who doesn't like Happy Mail? And right now with COVID and everything, like, it's always great to have a reason to, you know, put an extra smile on someone's face. And so, like I said, this is the 4th year. I've done this for 3 years now, and it's just so much fun. It really is. And this year there are over 40 moms participating in it, and that is amazing. Rachel puts so much time and energy into this, and I am so appreciative of that, because not only is it a really fun thing to do, I have discovered so many new homeschool YouTube channels and moms through this, you know, ones that wouldn't necessarily come up when I'm just scrolling through YouTube. And so it's been really awesome because, you know, I use YouTube when it comes to homeschool. It helps me to stay motivated. You know, I find new ways of doing things, really helpful hints and tips on teaching. It has been a godsend for our homeschool life. And so I love YouTube, and I love getting to discover new homeschool moms. And so, like I said, there's 40 or more, a little over 40 moms in this year in the Homeschool Mom Box Swap. And so what happens is we all make a video, and then Rachel puts together a playlist. And so the playlist will be linked below, and you can see all the videos of what everyone got. This year, I got Stevie from Stevie's Life, and her channel will be linked below, also in the description box. Please check her channel out. I didn't know who Stevie was. I had never come across her channel, and absolutely love her channel. She is like super calming, and I can't say enough good things about her channel. I really enjoy getting to know her through watching her videos, so please check her channel out below. Also, you'll see in a minute when I open my box who sent me a box, and so their channel will be linked in the description box below, so definitely check out their channel too. So I'm just super excited to see what I got. I just love this. It's so much fun. If you go to the playlist, make sure to check out all those, you know, the videos of the homeschool moms, but also go to their channels. You know, subscribe to their channels, check out their channels. We all have so much to offer in the way of just guidance and support. And I love the homeschool community on YouTube. And so really just check out all those new moms that you may not have, you know, come across when you've been on YouTube before. I'm getting tongue-tied because I'm just excited about opening my box. Anyway, the playlist will be linked below. Stevie's channel will be linked below. The person, I don't know yet, who sent me my box will be linked below as well. And so I hope you check out all of that. And let me know if you have any questions. You know, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all back on my next video. So stick around and watch me open my box. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have not opened this yet, so I have no idea what is in here. I'm excited. My kids keep telling me to open it. I think they're just as excited as I am. All right. Here we go. All right. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this tissue paper. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, the note says, "Hi, Carrie. I have so very much enjoyed getting to know you through this box swap. I've been experiencing a very challenging high-risk pregnancy, and I've enjoyed watching your videos as an escape. Thank you for sharing your kind personality with the world. I hope you enjoyed these little trinkets. See you on YouTube, Mama. Love, Tiffany." Little Pod School is her YouTube channel, and Instagram is Rod Pod Mama. So thank you so much, Tiffany. That's super sweet note. And I will definitely be praying for you for your pregnancy. And I actually have a few friends right now who are high risk and have been struggling. And, you know, with everything else that's going on, it's rough. It's a scary thing when it comes to your health and your baby. So I will definitely be praying for you. So, but thank you so much for this. And thank you for those kind words. So let's get started. So, it says number 1 for those days when you're busy as a bee. This is really cool. I have never seen tissue paper like this. This is amazing. Aw, little magnetic notepads. Oh, I love these things. Look at those. Those are cute. I love bees. Cute. Yes, I use these all the time because I always have lists that I need to be making, and so I love having those on the refrigerator so that I can just grab them when I need to make a list. So thank you. Those are cute. And like I said, I love bees. One of my bucket list things to do is to raise bees. I want to do that at some point in my life. So love it. All right, let's see what is next. Ooh, should we go in order? Let's see if I can find number 2. Oh, here we go. Number 2, to keep track of those busy little things. Well, I'm not opening this one as neatly as the other one. Oh, look at that. They're little, oh my goodness. They're little paper clips. Can you see that? But they're bees. Oh my goodness. Those are adorable. Oh, those will be great in my planners. I love it. Love it, love it. Those are so cute. I could also not only use these in my planners for things, but you could make really cute little bookmarks with those too. I'll have to try that out as well. Thank you. All right, number 3, save me for one of those days when only chocolate can fix things. You know it. Today is actually one of those days. This is like a blessing in disguise. It's been a rough morning already with school, so there we go. Ooh, this is German chocolate. Milk chocolate filled with caramel brownie cream. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. Yes. Yes, I need this today. It's been one of those days. I know all of you mamas can relate. Number 4. Heard you're a planner girl. I hope you like these pens. They're my favorite. Ooh. My husband's always like, you don't need any more pens for your planner. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I need all the pens. Ooh, I haven't tried these before. Erasable clicker gel pen. Ooh, I have not tried these. I love the erasable pens though, but I have not tried these kind. Oh, and look at all the colors. I'm excited. Oh yes, I'm so excited. Nice. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, this one fell, little tag fell off. Oh, there we go. That fell off that package. All right. This is number 5. As homeschoolers, we value the sanctuary of home like no one else. I hope you enjoyed this one. And let me just say before I open this, I love the little like numbered presents and then the reasoning behind them. Like I know, you know, I like to buy things because somehow they mean something to me or they connect me to the person I'm giving them to. And so it's really neat to see the reasoning behind why people pick certain things. So I am very thankful for that. I love that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. I love the texture of this. Oh, and I am a homebody. And the color, oh my goodness. Thank you so much. My husband will probably try to steal this. He steals all my coffee mugs. I'm gonna hide it from him. Oh, I love this so much. So pretty. And number 6. Don't forget to spare a few for you, Mama. Hope you can dive in while sipping a hot drink. Ooh, this sounds intriguing. Ooh, it looks like a book of some sort. Oh, it's a guided journal. Oh, I love this. God is my happy place. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. Where do you feel the happiest? Life is too short to be busy all the time. If you could spend the day any way you wanted to, what would you do? I love this. I have not seen one like this before. Oh, I love this. Yes, this would be great for a morning devotional. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you so very much. Tiffany, you have outdone yourself. These are absolutely amazing gifts and so thoughtful, so very thoughtful, especially with everything you're going through, just to take time out. Oops, didn't mean to tip that camera over, but to take time out to do this and to send me a little happy gift. I am so very thankful for all of this. This has made my day. Like I said, today's been a rough morning, as some days are, and this has just uplifted my heart. And so I thank you so much for these gifts. I thank you for, doing what you do and being a homeschool mama and, encouraging others. And like I said, I'll be praying for you. And those watching the video, like I said, check out Tiffany at Little Pod School and on Instagram at RodPodMama. And definitely check out the YouTube playlist for the Homeschool Mom Box Swap. That'll be in the description box below with all of the other links to. I'll link the channel that I sent a box to, and I'll also link Tiffany's channel in the description box below. All that information will be there. And so if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button because, I've done this for the past few years and hopefully we will continue doing this. This is such a fun way to connect with all of these homeschool mamas on YouTube. It's such a wonderful thing. Rachel does such a good job with it. It warms my heart every year. I look forward to it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.